What a day. What a ugly, nasty, disgusting day. Stick around. I'll show you why. So I walked through some fire last night, or actually this morning. To preface this, I couldn't sleep last night. Woke up at like 1 a.m. Uh, and what else would I do but come hop on here and start trading that early in the morning? What kind of degenerate hops on the computer and starts his trading day at 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning? Well, this guy. This guy right here. And boy, could I have not gotten it more wrong. So let me preface this by saying if you haven't traded the Asian session or the European session, it kind of lulls you to sleep a little bit. It won't move. It moves at a snail's pace. It won't move, and then all of a sudden, bang! It takes a huge drastic jump in one direction or the other, and you can kind of sometimes you can see it coming. Like if I have the SPY up or the Qs up, I can normally see that coming beforehand. Well, this was at, and I'm not making excuses, but this was at 2 a.m. So our pre-market isn't even open yet at that point. And I see this thing pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. There's a double top here, right? And I hop in on this candle at 2:01 in the morning. And I have instant regret because it does nothing but sell off for like the next 3 freaking hours. Might have even been, it was longer than that. It's 5 hours. This was 6 hours. This was at 2 a.m. this morning. Market opens at 8:30. This was at 2 a.m. this morning. And I get stuck in this and I hold it and hold it and hold it. I'm sitting here drinking my monster drink and this candle forms. I'm like, oh, finally, touchdown, baby. Here we go. We're fixing to get out of it. This candle pops up and I don't take it. It still had me at negative $45. I held through all that and I refused to let go for a $45 loss, and then back down she goes. Back down. And that, so another thing too. On my previous video, I said that Quantower, once you close it, it won't show you the entries. Well, miraculously, they are back. So if you look, there are those order entries going short, going long, going long, going long, going short. I don't know why they're back all of a sudden. It's kind of weird to me. But here is the entry that I am talking about. This candle right here. I thought we were going to come up and crack these highs, and that just didn't happen. So I will make this long story as short as possible. The open happens. It's running up, running up. It finally gets me to like negative $300 back from the depths of hell down here of being negative 18 and 2000. So I take it. I take it off. I take the loss. And I was like, okay, fine. I'll live to fight another day, right? And then the bottom literally drops out. Like the market did nothing but sell off after that. And then I came back in and I made it all back in these moves going lower today. Uh, and that was it. That bottom trade right there was the last trade on those two accounts. But what a nasty way to start your day, to do nothing but literally step in a mud hole. That was not fun this morning. And it wasn't necessarily a bad trade. It was a bad hold. I really thought at the time that it was going to come up and breach those highs again. And again, all I needed was 2 points, 8 ticks, and I got the door slammed in my face. So, in all honesty, I got incredibly lucky that it didn't go down another 10 points. If the market would have dipped down another 10 points from its lowest point this morning, they would be gone. They were, yeah. So I got very, very lucky that that didn't happen. Even with one contract, it was. That's another thing. I didn't add. I didn't add to my misery. I didn't try to scale out. Um, I just got lucky. That's all I really did. Just got lucky. So on to the P&L portion of this. So let's go back over yesterday's numbers. Yesterday in that brand new account, I hit 715. And I didn't trade it today because Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday all count as one trading day because of Monday being a holiday. So I didn't trade that account at all today. Yesterday I hit 340 in both of the other two accounts. And then today I clipped off 380 and some change in both of those accounts. And again, I got really, really lucky to still have them. Not only just being green, but to still have them in general, because in all honesty, I probably shouldn't. They probably should not be here, especially the way that I traded this morning. Um, yeah, so dodged a bullet, walked through some flames, got a little hot, got lucky, and we'll see how the rest of the week goes. Um, anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate it, and I will catch you next time. Take care.